District Administration Hunza would like to invite you to the 12th Baba Ghundi Festival. This festival takes place in the scenic valley of Chipperson, which is located in the north-western part of Hunza. It is one of the most far-flung areas of Pakistan. This festival includes events like Buzkushi, Polo on Yak, Yak race, Sufi musical festivals, performances, as well as other amazing events. Now, I would like you to listen to what foreign tourists have to say about the last event, which took place almost 3 years ago.
We were planning this trip for a very long time, and we were Googling a lot of stuff, and we heard about this festival. It's called Baba Ghundi Festival, and came all the way here. The road was really bumpy, but believe me, it's worth it. It's worth it, absolutely.
This is my first time here in Chipperson Valley, and I happen to be here at a pretty special time at the Baba Ghundi Festival. And the Baba Ghundi Festival is a pretty unique event that takes place pretty much on the roof of the world and on the very edge of Pakistan. And that's what, for me, makes it such an incredible event to see. This is not a place that many tourists get to witness. This is not an event that many tourists get to experience. And the level of local authenticity is just on another level.
Today we were watching a game of Buzkashi, which is a Central Asian sport where people play with a goat carcass. It's like kind of polo, but with a goat carcass. Very interesting. There was as well a jack race, so people were racing on jacks, and definitely a lot of things happening. It's a very special place. It's the Baba Ghundi shrine, which was very important for the Sufi culture and for the Ismaili Wahis.
I came here the second time to Chipperson, to this place, to this holy place. Today there was this really nice festival. I loved the horse games which were happening here. It was really interesting, quite wild horses. So it was really fun to see. I really liked also the environments I put up for tourists.
Guys, if you want to enjoy this incredible nature and this incredible festival and hospitality of Pakistani people, please do come here.
For hiking or for any mountains activity, better than Nepal and India. Sorry, I'm not meant to say that, but yeah, it's true.
It's beautiful.
Okay, it's beautiful, yeah.
I absolutely recommend that anyone visit Chipperson Valley and the Baba Ghundi Festival in the summer. It's an unforgettable experience.